Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the TCL TV settings that you should change right now in order to improve the picture quality, the sound performance and the overall speed. So first of all, you need to open the TCL TV picture settings and you need to switch away from the default standard or the vivid mode. For most of the people, the movie mode, the cinema mode, or the filmmaker mode gives much more natural colors, better contrast, and smoother overall picture quality. Now, if you play games, you can also switch to the game mode to reduce the input lag and improve the responsiveness. After doing so, you just have to simply turn off the motion smoothing. So you need to look for the settings like motion enhancements, or sometimes it is with the name action smoothing or motion clarity. So this particular feature can create the strange soap opera effect and sometimes make movie look more unnatural. So turning them off usually improves the cinematic picture quality immediately. Now, many of the TCL TVs sound flat with the default audio settings. So you need to simply go to the TV's audio settings, and inside the audio settings, you just have to look for Dolby Audio. At the same time, you need to reduce overly aggressive bass boosting because it can distort the voices during movies and the shows. Now, if your TCL TV feels laggy or slow, you can disable any unnecessary background features like auto connect recognition or advertising recommendations or unused apps that are running in the background. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.